Hello, this is Niu Niu. Today we have an interesting question for you. Which of the following group is a pair of antonyms? It's an easy one. The answer is group C. In Chinese, 大 means big and 小 means small. Just like in English, these words are used not only to compare the size of objects and places, but also concepts and ideas. For example, 那个大房子里有一个小房间. There's a small room in that big house. 那个大房子里有一个小房间. Here is another example. With influence from Confucius, Chinese people believe in 大道之行，天下为公, which can be translated as a just cause should be pursued for the common good. Here, 大 is used to describe the concept of 道, so 大道 is a just cause. This belief has been guiding our actions. For instance, when talking about the Belt and Road Initiative, we say, 一带一路是大家携手前进的阳光大道，不是某一方的私家小路. Which means the Belt and Road Initiative is a public road open to all, not a private path owned by one single party. All interested nations are welcome to join the initiative and collaborate and benefit from it. We hope that a big family of harmonious coexistence can be established rather than a small, exclusive group which is not helpful to the stability of the world. If you're familiar with other ways of using 大 and 小, please share in the comment area.